Hey Beauty Boss! Thanks for enrolling in our Classic Refresher course. We are all about ongoing education here at Beauty Boss Academy, and we believe that an incredible lash artist never stops learning. If you're here to brush up on your skills and learn some new tips and tricks, you've come to the right place. In this course, we will be reviewing techniques for lash prep, taping, isolation, application, maintenance, removal, and troubleshooting some issues you may encounter. It's important to note that this is not a full classic course and isn't suitable training for a first-time lash artist. We won't be reviewing any theory, safety, or styling in this course. This refresher course is entirely technique-based. We created this course to help trained lash artists refine their skills and brush up on any techniques that might be feeling rusty. But don't worry, if you are a first-time lash artist, the classic course is perfect for you. It is important that you take a full classic course that will teach you all of the foundational theory and skills that you need to become a certified lash artist, and that's exactly what you'll get with the classic course. It's the perfect place to start your lash career. So if you're ready, let's get lashing.